Hello, Class 2. Today is an exciting day because we are going to start talking about our big tic-tac-toe project. So I'm very excited for this because I believe over the years, this is something that you can play with your family members and friends and keep always. And I hope it helps remind you of your days in Class 2 at Waterford. So the project is like this. We get a board and it's wood and it's plain at first. And it's our job to make this into a tic-tac-toe board. We also have 9 special rocks. That's right. These are just rocks. They're actually stones from Lake Bonneville when that ancient lake used to have mosasaurs and other amazing creatures. These rocks are from the beach side of the old Lake Bonneville in my backyard. So really special ancient rocks. And we are going to convert these two relatively plain looking items into a tic-tac-toe board. And I'm going to visualize this and talk a little bit about what I did with this tic-tac-toe board and what we'll be working on as well. So let's take a look here. There we go. All right. So you can see that I chose a base color. And a base color is something that we're going to talk about in an upcoming lesson. But it kind of brings our whole project together. This base color is black. We will have the choice of black, white, or gray. Now, if we are at home right now, it may only be black or it may only be white. It will depend on what we can do in that situation. But if we're at class, we're going to be doing black, gray, or white as options. Then we are going to put our rocks in a pattern that we like on our board. It doesn't matter which one goes where. We want to make sure we have 9 rocks that fit on our board. Okay, I think that is our most important thing. 9 rocks fitting on my tic-tac-toe board. And then we are going to pick 4 cool colors, 4 rocks to be our cool colors, and 4 rocks to be our warm colors. Okay, the one in the middle has all the colors, warm and cool. This is the piece that the person who goes first uses, okay? In traditional tic-tac-toe, X's always go first. Since we don't have X's and O's on our pieces, we're going to have one piece that has the whole rainbow so that that one goes to the person who goes first. All right. So we have 4 warm, 4 cool, and 1 that has everything. All right. And this looked just like this not so very long ago. You can see that I chose base color black. And I think that really allows your colors to pop beautifully. I'm going to just bring a few up here so you can look. And what I did was just make tiny dots of colors. We will learn what a mandala is and how to make this kind of pattern on your rocks. You may choose to do something else, but I want you to keep thinking in the warm and the cool colors, okay? And this is just the beginning of our project. Now, on the sides of my game board, when I slide my pieces off, you can see I chose to keep going with the dot idea. And so I just put different colors of dots kind of floating around the side of my tic-tac-toe board. You may want to do something like a pattern. You may want to do something slightly different, and you'll have the chance to plan that out. On the back of our boards, we want to put our name and the date, okay? That way we will always know which one is ours, and we will know what date it was when we made this. Eventually, we will create the game board lines here or spots where our pieces can go. And how we play, like we just saw in that video, is let's say the warm colors are going to go first. So they get that special all color piece. And then we have the cool colors over here going to play. All right. And the warm colors are going to go first today because they have this piece. Okay. So warm color is going to go in the middle. Cool color will go here. Warm color will go here. Ah, the cool color may want to make sure that guy doesn't get a tic-tac-toe. And then I'm gonna go with that one. I'm trying to get it over there. Oh, but they realized that just in time. So maybe I'm not quite paying attention and I decide to put mine there and cool colors just one. But if cool colors would have played it out, the person who went first would finish out with one more piece. And then that's why this one kind of floats. Okay? So that is how to play, and that's a little insight into how our pieces will look when we're finished. So the next time we're together, we are going to get involved with our tic-tac-toe project plan. And we're going to take the time to kind of look at each part of our project so that we can talk with Mrs. Durst and finish this very effectively. See you next time.